Some say it is not just a toy robot, some say it can flip and fight, and some say it has zero tolerance for other dumb robots. Some would rather call it your first DIY robot. All we know is it's called KT2. Here's our designer, Jonathan, to tell you more.
We designed a KT2 to be the most powerful of its kind, a portable action robot, empowered by a programmable chip and advanced motion algorithms. As a smart desktop companion, it responds to your interactions, sensing your emotions through vibrations and touch, and behaves accordingly, adding lively fun to your daily routine. And that is cute, isn't it? Due to its exceptional mobility, KT2 also serves as your desktop health assistant. Need a quick game of cat and mouse during a hectic meeting break? Absolutely. Feeling stiff after long hours at your desk? Let KT2 remind you and your colleagues to stretch. And if you're looking to slack off a bit and have it handle some tasks, well, it kind of can. Want to play? KT2 loves to play with you. Traditional companion robots often become neglected after the novelty wears off. But KT2 is different, offering immense customization. We've designed 99 built-in interactive games, turning this agile desktop pet into an all-encompassing gaming machine.
Games, we love it. Kids love using their phones or the special mini controller to battle with KT2. It's so much better than video games. At home, I enjoy playing Guess the Direction games with KT2 and the kids. Twisting its little leg gets them all nervous. Oops, it's the red buzz. When my husband and I need to decide who does the dishes, we settle it with a tug-of-war competition using them. And my husband always brags about the precision of his wrist strength. During parties, he loves dominating my brother Alex in KT2's desktop shuffleboard game. Boys will be boys.
In fact, there are far more than 99 games. These games are all powered by built-in Python. Oh, hell, not this one. The one on the screen. So theoretically, with KT2, you have unlimited game possibilities. Of course, kids can do it with Blockly too. A more beginner-friendly graphical programming interface. Just drag and drop on the screen. And woola! The first electronic engineering achievement unlocked. All of this runs on KT2's built-in Turtle OS. Remember those badges in the top right corner of the screen? Every interaction with the little robot triggers the achievement system. Your first assembly, first battle, first programming, first challenge kick in the box. This is the true meaning of companionship. Growing together and becoming the best versions of ourselves. An end note, Gavin.
Back to me. Here's a quick recharge. I'd like it to be my fitness coach, inspire creativity with kids on a Lego base plate, and personalize my own KT2. Oh, I like the fluffy fur. Support our Kickstarter project today and help us bring KT2 into everyone's lives.